Palace of Versailles tickets pricing explained what you get for your money. Visiting the Palace of Versailles isn't just a tour, it's stepping into centuries of French history and opulence. Most people get this wrong by thinking all tickets are the same, but the surprising truth is that pricing varies depending on access and extras. A standard palace ticket costs around $20 for adults, granting access to the main palace and temporary exhibitions. Children and teenagers under 18 often enter free, making it ideal for families. If you want to explore the gardens, the ticket is separate. Garden admission starts at 9 on days without the musical fountain shows. You won't believe how much more immersive it becomes if you include the musical gardens and fountain shows, which cost an additional $9 to $12. For those who want the ultimate experience, guided tours or passport tickets covering the palace gardens, train in palaces, and the estate of Marie Antoinette cost around $30 to $35. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of these tours. The guides provide context that transforms your visit from sightseeing into an unforgettable historical experience. In conclusion, Palace of Versailles ticket pricing is flexible and depends on the level of access you choose. By understanding what each ticket includes and planning ahead for shows or guided tours, you can maximize your visit and truly appreciate the grandeur of Versailles.